Hello, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to thank you all for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of Joe Boo's day job. We are here today working on a rental property from hell. This is one of those cases where people had been in for 5 or 6 years or so, and we had a hoarder that was in here. They've been in the process of moving out. Fortunately, this house was built in, I think, 1908. And this is actually the original antique heart pine floor. It's actually not in terrible shape. So before we go any further, this is the good room right now. So here's what we're going to bring that stuff on in.
I know where we want to put it.
Let's put everything in this room because this room's probably the best room. Let's take a look at how the place is. Okay. At least we can actually walk inside now. We've got, Lordy. Wow. Okay. Moving right along. I will say, as bad as this looks, at least there's not holes in the walls. That's a start. There's not holes in the wall. There's a lot of debris. The carpet is bad. Definitely going to end up gutting out the bathroom here and new fixtures in there. Cleaning up the debris. But we got a lot of stickers and stuff here on the walls and things, but we'll spackle all this stuff up and repaint it. It might not be so bad after all. We'll see how it is. Oh boy. Always kiss me goodnight. Okay. Time to go to work. All right, good people. That was, looking at the timer in here, 23 minutes. If I can get up off the floor here. Old knees. Okay. What we've gotten accomplished here, we got the truck full of debris. I've gotten myself out of wind and sweaty. We also found out that the washing machine hot water shutoff valve doesn't shut off anymore, so we're gonna have to replace that. But from where we started, we've got the carpet up. We're gonna end up doing new carpet padding in here. We'll go through, get everything vacuumed up, cleaned up, start spackling up the walls, taking the nails and stuff out, and assessing everything that may be broken. You know, there's a lot of little things that you'll notice, like bifold set of doors. Seems like the hinges may be needed to be tightened up on it, so that way it'll be in place. That's minor. issue. Need to caulk up the molding, repaint all that stuff white, take the broken mirror off the wall, but just doing this much is an improvement. And we're gonna go to the dump, and then we're gonna start working on getting the carpet in this room cleaned out. And then it's actually, interior wise, one more load to the dump will probably be it. They left the bed here. Probably take it apart, take it to the scrap metal place and get all the other stuff you have. Yeah, we'll check out the light fixtures and see. The good thing, at least, in looking at it, we do have some nail holes and pops that we're going to need to pull out and spackle up, but no major issues, where people have put holes in the wall, other than we do have a hole here in the door, so we may need to replace the door. So it looks bad, but it looks better already. So we're going to head to the dump and get back and get the rest of this out. Okay, so we're here, finished for the day at least. We've gone through, we've got all the stickers off the wall, we've gone through and we've spackled up all the nail holes and stuff in here. Quite frankly, it looks 100 times better. I'm surprised. We refinished this floor about 13 years ago, so it's actually done pretty good. Let's take a look at how much work like I said, we've gone through and filled up all the nail holes. We'll paint the ceiling white. The ceiling fan seems to be working okay, although we may need to reattach that up in there, but it looks like it's okay. Be able to preserve that. We got the old stove and the microwave out of here. We'll end up needing to redo the cabinets. We're going to take up all this floor and redo the flooring in here. We'll make new doors for the cabinets. We've gone through and spackled up the hallways and so on, making it look a lot better. It'll be amazing how much a coat of paint will help this. It's kind of a beigeish color with the white. It really makes the molding and stuff pop. Again, coat of paint, new carpet's going to make this look good. Again, all the holes and stuff, new mini blinds, of course, throughout. The bathroom looks kind of nasty. I always put in a new toilet. Definitely, we'll take the toilet up, take the vanity out, spackle up the walls, put in a new exhaust fan, new light fixtures, new medicine cabinets and all that kind of stuff, new hardware and things in here. We'll evaluate the tub tomorrow and see if we need to go through and redo that. Although looking at the tile, it's amazing what some bleach will do as far as getting the color. I'm getting a little bit of mold that's in there and stuff, and may need to redo the tub, maybe reglaze that. And in here again, we got off the stickers and stuff off the walls, put some new vent registers in here, maybe put a ceiling fan and attach the doors, new mini blinds, and of course new carpet padding and carpet. Place won't be so bad. So for the first day, from where we started to where we finished, it's definitely a lot better. We'll be back in here first thing in the morning with some paint, start painting the ceilings, let that dry out, and then we'll go through and we'll get the walls painted and then do the trim after that. And hopefully by Friday we'll have the painting in here. I'll pick up the carpet from my carpet wholesaler, save some money on that, and the carpet padding. And we'll use a really good carpet padding in here, because carpet padding is one of those things that it's better not to splurge. To be cheap on the carpet padding. You can spend more money on the carpet padding and less on the carpet, and you'll end up having a much better effect. So that's where we are. Not too bad. And believe it or not, with the lack of housing right now, I believe we already have some people that are interested in renting it, even as bad as it looks right now. Goes to show you. The good thing about real estate is the good Lord, he ain't making no more dirt. It's not a bad investment. I'll see you guys later.